Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix Minecraft Java Edition launch error. So whenever you try to play the Minecraft, it doesn't open, it doesn't launch. So in this video, I'll show you how this error could be fixed. First, you have to make sure that your Wi-Fi or internet is working properly or you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi, because if you don't have a good Wi-Fi with a good signal, then the game will have issues while launching or loading, or maybe having issues due to connect to its server, or maybe there's any update available but due to internet issue it cannot be done. So you have to make sure the internet is right. After that, you have to search for Minecraft launcher and you have to run it into administrator. By doing that, the issues will be resolved very much. Now if you have done that and checked the internet but still you're having the issue, in that case you have to simply search for the install apps. And in the install apps, you have to look for Minecraft, click onto the three dots and click on advanced option. Once you get there, you have to scroll down and click on repair. By clicking on repair, if there's any issue, it will just solve it without deleting any data. And once it gets done, you will see this tick icon, then you have to open the game. If it doesn't work, then you have to reset it. Reset means you will get logged out of the games, and if you have set any sort of settings, everything will be reset, but the game will work. So you have to simply reset it, and after that you have to play the game. But let's say still you're having the issue, then you can just simply do a sign out and sign in, and at the last you can try to uninstall. This is the last option. After that the issue will be probably solved. So I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.